Okay, now water absorbing unit. The root hairs are considered as water absorbing unit of the plant. Okay, so the mature root contains millions of root hairs. These root hairs help the absorption process from the soil. Okay, so there are three important zones are present in the mature root. One is the region of maturation. It is a place where the millions of root hairs are present. Okay, and below that the region of elongation, and below that the deep we can see the region of meristemity. At the tip of the root cap is present. So these are three regions of the root, but the root hairs regions are absorbing unit. These root hairs not only absorb the water and also it expand the space of absorption in the soil. Okay. And next one, in what mechanism, in what ways the root absorb the water and transport to the shoot system. Okay. You just imagine it's a root hair. The root hair and it's a root. Okay. Then in the region called the cortex, once the water is absorbed by the root, the concentration of the root hair it will be more than that of the cortex. Okay, here the cortex region. So you just imagine the water is there. When the water absorbed by the root hair, the concentration of the root hair, I mean the pressure in the root hair is more than that of the cortex. Okay. So what is the osmosis and diffusion? The process of conversion of water molecule from the region of higher concentration to lower concentration. அப்ப என்ன இருக்கும் இங்க கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் அதிகமா இருக்கிறதால என்ன ஆகும் ரூட் ஏர்ல இருக்கிற வாட்டர் கார்டெக்ஸ் போகும். கார்டெக்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் ரூட் போகும் ரூட் ரீஜனுக்கு. From here the water will be transported to the shoot system through the xylem tissues, the same mechanism involved, I mean diffusion. Okay, so the root hairs are the absorbing unit. Once the water absorbed by the root hair, there is the concentration of water is maximum when you compare to the cortex of the root. So from the region of higher concentration to lower concentration, the water molecule move, and the same way, once the water molecule reaches the cortex of the root, concentration or pressure of the root will be more than that of the shoot system. So with the help of the xylem, water molecule can be transported upward movement. This is the way the water transported from the soil to root and root to shoot system. Understood? Types of movement of water in plants is two types. One is the apoplast and another one is the symplast movement. Okay. What is the apoplast movement? Movement of water molecule between the intercellular spaces. Okay, not penetrating the tissues or cell. In between the cells, there's the intercellular spaces. Then through which, if the water molecule move from one place to another, that is called the apoplast movement. Okay, then it is concentration. It's a concentration gradient. Based on the concentration gradient only, the water molecules move. Okay, and next one, symplast movement. Sim means united or unit. Okay, the movement of water molecule then between the cells, not inside the cell, not in the intercellular spaces. It passing through the cells. Okay, plasma membrane, the protoplasm, and another cell membrane. So through which water molecule move. When you compare to apoplast and symplast movement, water slowly move from one place to another or one cell to another. Okay, so the symplast water movement is fully depends on concentration gradient, because when the concentration is a maximum here, then they can move from here to here. Okay, and it's again water molecule weight till this cell get the more concentration. Okay, so depends upon the concentration gradient, the water molecule move. I mean it penetrate or passing through the cells. I mean protoplasm, plasma membrane, through which the water molecule can go. Okay, move. This process is called as the symplast pathway. Okay, apoplast pathway na cell cross பண்ணாம அந்த intercellular space வழியா water molecule move ஆகும். That is the apoplast. Cell cross பண்ணி கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் ஐ மீன் the கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் டெபெண்ட் பண்ணி வாட்டர் மாலிக்யூல் ஒரு செல்லை விட்டு இன்னொரு செல் அப்படியே ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகி போயிட்டு இருந்ததுன்னா that is a Symplast pathway. These are the two types of movement of water in plants. Okay.